These are crispy Parmesan Brussels sprouts. Don't do what I did the first 2 times. Instead, wait till the end of the video. Take off the butt end. Pot is boiling some water before the sprouts go in. Season the water with some salt, and in they go. This is the Parmigiano Reggiano from Costco. In the meantime, I'm gonna grate a bunch. See this? My knife goes in, but it comes out relatively easy. Do not pour hot water down your sink. I've said it before. What am I doing? Don't throw it down your sink. You're gonna crack the pipes. Pour it into a bowl, along with a nice glug of extra virgin olive oil, a good pinch of salt, a few cracks of black pepper, smoked paprika. If you want regular one, you do that too. A little onion powder and some garlic powder. We'll mix that up. We take our smashing utensil here and apply firm pressure, and then put it directly on the sheet tray. Last one goes down. So 400 convection. We'll check it after 20-25 minutes. The cheese is super golden from edge to edge. We're gonna pull it. We'll take a spatula, get under the Brussels. I probably should have put down some oil before the cheese, I feel like. You know, onto my platter there. This one didn't work as well here. This one stuck. As you can see by the final result, I wasn't happy, but I thought about it and I think I can do it better. So I boiled the sprouts again, tossed them with the seasoning. For the cheese this time, instead of putting it on the sheet tray, which I think was the problem, I'm gonna grate it into a little baking dish here. Extra virgin olive oil. Smear it all over. Smash-a-rooney. Beautiful. And then right down on the sheet tray. We'll do them at 400 degrees in Rose's oven. And we'll start with 15 minutes. We're just shy of 20 minutes, and I think we're done. What is going on here? This is not coming together the way I had it planned in my, look at this. All the cheese stuck there. Interesting. All right, 3rd time's the charm. We're gonna do it on parchment paper. Instead of smashing them, I have them. I put a parchment paper down on a greased sheet tray. I put 1 big layer of Parmesan cheese grated on the biggest setting of the box grater. Say a prayer because we're throwing it in the oven. This time, we're gonna put it at 450 degrees to make it cook a little quicker. And when it comes to the time, I have no idea. Ooh, check it out. I'm feeling good about this. That's done. Let's yank it and let it rest for a second. My friends, there it is. 3rd time was a charm. These look epic. And if I flip them around, you have nice, solid sheet of cheese and crispy edges everywhere. You can break off sections like that. I'm glad we didn't give up. Persistence pays off. All the feedback on Instagram and Facebook stories over at Bobby Parrish was very helpful, and they're delicious. All right, well, compare that the first 2 times to this. And it's clear which one is the winner. I will type the recipe exactly right, put it down below, make these. They are delicious.